Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Trade Republic how to send money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps because it's really simple and easy. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Trade Republic app and be sure to be logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now below it you'll be seeing two options, right? That is invest and transfer. Now once you tap on transfer option, you'll be provided with two options, that is add or send. If you don't have enough balance on your trade account, what you need to do is tap on add, and then next thing is what you need to do is select the option to transfer your money. Now once you have sufficient balance, in order to send, what you need to do is tap on send, and the next page will show you something like this. Now here all you gotta do is enter in your amount, and notice that below send you'll have an option provided for you that shows the balance of you that you are currently holding. Now all you gotta do is enter in the amount, and once you've entered in the amount, simply tap on next, and then the amount will be sent to your reference account. And that's basically how to send money in Trade Republic. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.